Hi, my name is Tom Calcatera. I've been an attorney now for almost 40 years. I started off as up in Port Huron, actually. I did a lot of criminal work. Then I came down here and I was with a company, a different company, for about 30 years. Last 10, 15 years I was the senior partner, managing partner, senior trial attorney, and then I left to come here. The reason I came here was I was very impressed, so impressed with the organization, the resources, the energy that this firm has in helping people and wanting to help people, not only in the cases, but all the community work that Mike does. It kind of blew me away, and I knew I wanted to be a part of this. Yeah, I grew up on the east side of Detroit. I was the third of 8 kids in the family. I spent just about half my life living in the city. I love the city. I love everything about it. Downtown area, I saw it, coming back. I lived through the riots in Detroit and how it's progressed to this point. So it's been a great place to be around. One thing I want my clients to know about me, that their case is personal to me. It's just not a number. I'm going to have a personal relationship with them. They can call me at any time of the day, night, weekend. I will be there, and I'm going to get the job done for them. I can tell you there's one phrase that stays in my head, and that was from my dad. He was a kind of gruff on the outside, but I learned as I got older what big heart he had. And he would also always say, just get it done. And no excuses, no, I'm tired, I can't do it, I don't know how to do it, it's too hot, it's too cold out. And that's carried through with me, whether it's in school and in the practice here. You don't stop because you're tired. If there's 1,000 pages of medical records you got to read through, you just get it done. If you're in trial, and after a long day of trial and you need preparation for the next day, you just get it done. You don't stop at 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, or midnight. You do it till it's done, and that stayed with me, and that's how I treat every case that I have here.